Hey, welcome back to Vlogmas. Have you ever been walking to your kitchen and the sun hits right on that baseboard, exposing all of your dusty secrets? Oh, come on, man. I did not need this today. Oh, man. But since we've seen it, let's take care of it. Easy peasy. We don't need a whole cleaning cart for this today. A little bit of dusting spray, your microfiber cloth, one of those magic eraser things, some dryer sheets, because we're not cleaning grout, we're just cleaning up our baseboards real quick. Here's the trick. It's called the wipe and walk. Just start at your entryway, and where your guests are going to walk, those are the baseboards you're going to hit. Wipe and walk. And if you hit one of those hard spots, you can use the magic eraser. Works perfectly. I'll say it again because it's worth repeating. Take 10 minutes. Focus on only the spots that your guests will see. The front entryway, the hallway to the bathroom, the hallway to the kitchen. Those main focus areas. Don't take any longer than 10 minutes to do this. Trust me.
Now this is the real holiday hero, the dryer sheet. It wipes dust and puts a little static barrier down so dust doesn't stick as fast. Translation, you don't have to do this again for a while. Merry Christmas to us all.
And just like that, your baseboards are clean and no longer auditioning for a horror movie. Your guests will walk in and go, "Wow, she's really got it together." And you're just going to smile and nod. Let them believe it. Chaos managed, mostly.